Hey everyone, it's Brandon from Magic Land Vacations, the travel planning genies, and today I'm going to show you how to use Walt Disney World's new park reservation system. If this is your first time joining us, I'm so excited to have you here. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are the Disney and Universal Vacation Planning experts. My name is Brandon Foster. I am the owner of Magic Land Vacations, and I also teach other travel professionals how to book these unique kinds of destinations through Careers on Vacation. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Walt Disney World's new park reservation system, and I'm so excited to do this. I literally just got back from the gym. I haven't showered, I haven't shaved, but I'm so excited to show this to you and get this video released, especially before annual pass holders are able to make their reservations. You guys are going to find this really, really helpful. I had reservations already, so that's how I was able to make my reservations, even though I'm an annual pass holder. And of course, I was busy making reservations all day long, not all day long, but all morning yesterday for all of our amazing clients who we love to provide stress-free, no-hassle vacation planning. And I'm going to share you all of my tips and secrets with that. So here we go. Reserve your park reservations for Walt Disney World. Right now, I'm using an incognito browser in Chrome because it tends to work better with my Disney experience. And as you can see, when I went to sign into my Disney experience, I got a wait window right here that says, hang in there, they're making progress. And we're in a waiting room basically for Disney to allow us to make our park reservations. So this is what the initial screen looks like. After this, it will go to the actual login screen, which I'll show you in just a second. Well, you'll see it in a second, but it might be a while before I actually see it since I'm video recording this. Look at my Disney experience. I've just logged in, and you can see that I have my resort hotel reservation, and I have my park tickets. So now, in order for me to choose my park reservations, you're going to see this important message right here. And I'm going to click on View Availability. And it's automatically going to pull up everybody that's in my party. So I'm going to click my husband there. I'm going to click Continue. And now I can actually select availability for me to go to the parks. And I'm traveling in November. If you look back on my reservations, we can see Tuesday, November 3rd, departing Saturday, November the 7th. So Tuesday, November the 3rd, and Saturday the 7th. So we are going to select our park day here for the 3rd. And we're going to do Epcot for the 3rd. And then we're going to click on another park pass. As you can see, it says that we've confirmed our park. So we're going to do another park pass. And I'm going to hit continue. And I need to scroll back to my dates. So November. So we did one for the 3rd. So now I'm just going to keep going through. And I know Saturday is going to be Animal Kingdom, so I'm just going to go ahead and do Animal Kingdom. I'm going to confirm that. And then I'm gonna hit make another park pass. And basically you just keep doing this process until you are complete. And if I go back to my plans, if I were to refresh that, it's actually going to show that I have those reservations. But I'm not going to refresh that yet because I want to keep doing my plans. And every single time I have to scroll back. And let's go back to my plans. I'm going to refresh. And now you should be able to see, yep, so I have my Epcot pass for the 3rd, then Hollywood Studios, then Magic Kingdom, and then Animal Kingdom. So I have all my passes. And there you go. That's how you do the park reservation system. Nice and easy. I hope all of you found that information so incredibly helpful about how to use Walt Disney World's new park reservation system. If you have any questions, feel free to put those in the comments below. And again, make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And in the meantime, why don't you check out all of our other amazing Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Orlando, Disney Cruise, all sorts of other fun videos for you. And there's one that's suggested here and one here. Seriously, check them out, you guys. So excited to share this stuff with you. You're going to love it.